Hi there. Yesterday I went at TV5 Media Center and I need an assistance to Raffy Tulfo in action because I had an issue with my husband and with his girlfriends. When I spoke with one of the staff in Raffy Tulfo in action, she said that I should go to court instead, and Rafi Tulfo was not responsible to arrest my husband. And I asked her if I could film her. She was shouting at me and she gave an order to the security guards to get my cell phone. However, I was yelling at her too because she didn't have any right to get my cell phone. Apparently, I used to watch Raffy Tulfo in action on YouTube and was known for giving people a place to ask justice. Oh my goodness, it was a misconception. I should not go to that place. Oh my goodness.